Hello there, my name is Nadine. I'm the owner of NG Platinum Homes, and today is going to be a fun video about 4 things that I think you should treat yourself into your bathroom when you're doing a renovation. So let's talk about number 1. The first thing I would say is if you're having a renovation done, definitely look into getting pull-out drawers that have electrical in there. And these are very interesting for plugging in your hair dryers, your curling irons. It kind of keeps that clutter off of your countertop. It definitely adds value to your bathroom too because you have extra electrical. So keep that in mind. The next thing I would like you to consider doing is a treat yourself type of situation would be putting a bidet into your bathroom. I can't say enough how much I love these. Bidets are bidets, but then there's some really extra ones that you should really look into. And that would be a bidet with a heated seat. They have ones that have dryers, and then you can really go extra extravagant and get a whole toilet with a bidet. And that has motion sensors on it, which can open and close, which, you know, if you have a husband that has a problem with putting the toilet seat down or up, that'll solve that for you too. And then it has auto clean and sanitizing, dryers, all the fancy schmancy things that you want in a toilet. So definitely actually look into that. The other one I want to talk about is heated floors. So being in Houston, a lot of people might think, do you really need heated floors in your bathroom? I mean, it's generally warm there, but I would have to say absolutely yes. I have put these in many bathrooms and they're amazing. So if you want a spa-like experience, everybody gets out of the shower and you feel a little chilly. Having a heated floor in there is just amazing. And it does incur a little extra expense, but it's not extra extravagant like what people might think. So I can break it down for you a little bit. For the heated floor mechanism itself, you can probably look at for a medium to even a large size bathroom, you're looking at probably about $1,000 for the actual heater, and then some maybe $500 to $800 for the electrician to put it in. So looking at it in the long run, it's a beautiful thing to have in your bathroom, and you're not actually spending thousands and thousands of dollars that people might think that you're spending to have a heated floor. So if you can, treat yourself to a heated floor, definitely in your bathroom if you're doing a renovation. And then the last thing I want to talk about is another special thing, which is everybody uses these when they go to a gym or a spa, steam baths. So steam baths are amazing. And again, it's one of those things that are not actually extra extravagant in cost where people might think, but it does make you feel like you have that spa-like experience in your home. A nice steam bath is probably going to cost you for the actual thing about $1,200, and then you have the electrical costs and the running of the lines and things like that. So probably a few $1,000s for that. And then you do need to have a pretty good enclosure in your shower to make sure that you get the full experience of the steam. But steam baths are great for your skin. If you're anybody that has allergies or sinus problems, turning that steam bath on at night is going to clear up all that mucus. And I know I'm not a doctor, but myself and my husband have some of these issues. It's amazing to use that to work those things out without taking medications. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want you to really think about these 4 ways to treat yourself with luxury items when renovating your bathroom. Until then, stay tuned for the next one. Keep designing your life. Bye.